Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can blur text on a screen inside Capcut. So this is my video example. As you can see, there's a text on it, and if you want to hide this and blur it out, it's a pretty way you can do it. So the first step, you can start out by going into Effects, and then in Video Effects you can type blur. Then you want to grab the blur and leave it over the video. And then while this video is highlighted, you can go on the right side and select the mask, and you can add a mask. Then you can stretching out this thing like that, adjust the mask and leave it on top of the text. You can use a little bit of feather, and this is how it's going to look like. And if you're using the free version, you can use this blur right here, not this one. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.